stay tuned. Great sights and sounds from Nairobi. We didn't film, I didn't film a ton in Nairobi. Nairobi was kind of our getting comfortable with Kenya spot, and having never been there before, I didn't know how much I should be popping the camera out and strolling around the streets. So I didn't film a ton. I wish I would have filmed some more, but this is what I did film, and love to share Nairobi with you. Nairobi was awesome for me. Having Timothy and Best Memory Safari set everything up for us was incredible. There's absolutely no way that I could have, even with more time, planned such an incredible trip to a place I'd never been. So, I mean, it was just phenomenal. But most of you that know me know I'm an absolute control freak, and so Nairobi that part of the trip was kind of me. It was kind of me being in control of what we were doing. And so I loved it. I love Nairobi. It was a great time. I mean, the whole trip was phenomenal. And obviously the rest was just beyond. And I can't wait to share that with you. I'm starting with Nairobi because, one, jumping back into editing and prepping all of this footage, the place that I took the least footage is the easiest to start with, because I don't have to spend as much time editing and sorting through content and all that. So I'm starting with Nairobi and sharing that, and plus it gives me time to kind of chat through what's going on. As I mentioned, or as I'm going to mention, we have an incredible next trip to Africa planned. Airfare's booked, waiting to book everything else because we're kind of settling a little bit from recovering from the Kenya trip. The nice thing about South Africa is, obviously, I've been there before. I can plan this trip. We just need a rental car and we'll do everything. So yeah, super looking forward to it. And yeah, sorry, this is about Nairobi though. And also, I did want to throw out there, again, I mentioned how unbelievably humbled I was by all of your great responses to my little hiccup. And I just wanted to share that YouTube's a great way to stay in touch. And any likes or subscribes to my channel would be so helpful to start building that base. And I'll share more content like that. I'll share travel videos and vlogs. I will generally share dog stuff, obviously, because that's me. I'm a dog gal. And just lifestyle stuff. So if you do want to stay in touch with my journey and what's going on with me, subscribing to my YouTube channel, liking my YouTube channel, great way to stay in the know. The other nice thing about YouTube, it's a great way to stay in touch with people because it's not like Facebook. It's not, you're not going to have to deal with all the other political posts and nonsense and junk. When you subscribe to a YouTube channel, that's really pretty much all you see is what you've subscribed to. So yeah, it's a nice way to stay in touch without having to deal with all that social media, Facebook malarkey and sorting through political posts or junk you just don't necessarily want to see. So if you enjoy staying in touch and knowing how my journey is going, both my travels, my dogs, and my lifestyle, sorry, I'm still looking for critters to shoot. Subscribing to my YouTube would be awesome, and I would be so appreciative. So yeah, I'm gonna let you go for a little bit and continue looking for critters. A lot of cars out here. Rumor has it the snowies are back, but where they're at, I'm not sure. I might have to open up iBird and see. But anyway, so come along. Obviously this video at the wastewater, if I see anything, we'll post in a couple weeks. And yeah, Monday, it's Saturday now, Monday, I'll be posting the Nairobi video with this little intro. Thanks, guys. So breakfast at the hotel, and then adventuring. See, there's a really cool Nairobi city sign over just across the street from here, so we're gonna go check that out and get some pictures. And then the museum and the markets. My eyes were bigger than my stomach, but I didn't eat all this food now that I put it on my plate. But yeah, food's good. Juice and tea, lots of fresh fruits. So yeah, that's how we're starting our day. We got up early because we're still adjusting. Or I got up early, I made Tom get up. So we're the only people so far. Yummy. So I just wanted to mention, just because it's blowing my mind, how much attention to detail they have with the whole corona and keeping the numbers down. They actually took our temperature for us to come into a coffee shop for coffee and a croissant. So yeah, basically everywhere you go, they make you sterilize your hands before you come in, and then they actually take your temperature. So yeah, just wanted to share. I'm, again, super impressed on how they're handling this and how everybody is responding and doing what they need to do. So we had to kill some time waiting for City Market to open. It doesn't open till 9 o'clock, which it is now, but we're going to enjoy the rest of our chocolate croissants. And I have a cappuccino, and Tom has a tea. So we're going to finish this up and then head over to City Market. I'll try and take some video in there, but when it gets crowded and chaotic, if it is, I get a little weird about video. So we'll try and take you along. We needed a frosty beverage after our market haul. We'll go up to the room and show you our little finds, but for now we both needed something cold to drink, and we'll go back up to the room and head out to the museum. Alright, so it's the Market Fashion Show. I got 2 pair of these. This pair and this rockin' fun colorful pair. So comfortable. I love these. I might have to get some more before we leave. Come on. Tom's a local now. He got himself a nice little African shirt. And where's your... He got him a Maasai knife, I guess.
These for eating meat.
Yes, they use it for eating beef, and I had to get my Maasai blanket. So hopefully you can hear all that. I don't know why I'm still wearing my mask. But anyway, hopefully you heard all that about our wonderful market buys. That was Tom's first experience. Oh, and I got 2 bracelets. This is the one I meant to get, my little Kenyan one. Anyway, that was Tom's first experience at that kind of market. They freaking deal like crazy there, and it's all done on paper and in secret. And anyway, it was a fun experience. glad it's done because it's always stressful. Only thing left for me to get is I want to get a nice basket for like the farmer's market, and some more of these because I love these. And where's Jessica? Jessica, they got pockets. I should get you a pair. Anyways, that's our market haul. And since plastic bags are outlawed in Kenya, everyone uses these nice little cloth bags. So yeah, cool. Fun day at the market. Now a 30-minute power nap and we're off to the museum. After a couple misdirections, your shoes untied, honey, we have finally arrived. So the walk was definitely a little longer than it was supposed to be, but now we're here and we know how to get home. We're back to the hotel quite easily.